In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix upscale error for AMD with NVIDIA graphics card. The first thing that you want to do is to head over to your NVIDIA control panel. Let's just head over to our desktop right here. Click on NVIDIA control panel, and basically inside the control panel, we are going to adjust a few settings. Click on manage 3D settings. Navigate through program settings, and then we want to look for the Upscayl application. So you just want to click on the add program, and you want to simply look for the Upscayl application. So in my case, it's going to be just up here. Click on add selected program, and basically from here you just want to set everything to normal. Now you can copy my setting right here, or you can click on the restore button. If not, you can then edit some settings. For example, for image scaling, you could maybe do something like on. For anthropic filtering, you could also go ahead and edit this out to make sure that you have tested your graphics card setting on Upscayl. From there, you can just head over to your start menu, type environment, and then you want to click on the environment variables. Click on the new button, and then you want to enter this specific variable name right here, which is to disable underscore layer underscore AMD underscore switchable underscore graphics underscore 1. And you want the variable number to be 1. Click on the OK button, and then you want to do the same thing for the second one. Click on OK, click on apply, and from there basically you are good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.